Good morning students. Today we will see the how to prepare the journal entries. First of all, what is journal entries? So what is the journal entries? Journal entries means whatever the transactions you make in routine life, the transactions is recorded in date wise. So that is called journal entries. So every journal entries have debit account and credit accounts. Debit account and credit account shows the equal balance in journal entry. How to prepare the journal entries? Steps. First, identify the account. Next, classify the group under personal, real or nominal. Next, which account comes in debit and which accounts in credit. Now let us see the sum. Mary is a cement dealer having business for more than 5 years. Past journal entries in her books for the period of March 2018. First transaction. March 1st, cement bags bought on credit from CB. First identify the account. Cement bags means purchases. So purchase account data to CB account. General entries. In the books of marriage, general entries. Format, date, particulars, LF, debit in rupees, credit in rupees. So date 1st March. General entry. Purchase account data to CB account. So purchase is a real account. Golden rule is what comes in. So CB is a personal account. Credit the giver. So purchase account data to CB account. Narration start with being. Cement bags purchase on credit from CB. Next transaction. Electricity charges paid to net banking. So electricity charges is nominal account. All expenses losses is debit. So electricity charges account data to bank account. Here electricity charges is nominal account. So all expenses losses debit. Next bank is personal account. Credit the giver. So electricity charges account data to bank account. So narration being EV charges paid through net banking. Next transaction. March 3rd, return goods bought from CB. So general entry is CB account data to purchase return account. CB is the receiver. Debit the receiver and credit the giver. So being goods returned to CB. Next transaction. Cement bags taken for personal use. So personal use kaga cement bags வாங்கிட்டிருக்கு. So drawings account data to general entry. Drawings account data to purchase accounts. Being goods taken for personal use. So next transaction. March 5th, advertisement expenses paid. Advertisement expenses is a nominal account. So general entry is advertisement expenses account data to cash account. So narration being advertisement expenses paid. Next March 6th, goods sold to Mano. Here Mano is a personal account. Sales is a real account. So general entry is Mano account data to sales account. So narration being goods sold to Mano. Next transaction. So goods returned by Mano. Here goods return means sales return. So general entry is sales return account data to Mano. Sales return account data to Mano account. Narration being goods returned by Mano. Next transaction. March 8th, payment received from Mano through NEFT. So Mano is the creditor. Bank is the debtor. So bank account data to Mano account. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. So being amount received from Mano through NEFT.